just started preparing for the IELTS examination, appeared for the exam once, twice, or many times, but still stuck at 6 months? Well, in this video, I'm going to share my 4 techniques to improve your IELTS writing for both academic and general training students. You can use all 4 or any of the technique as per your requirement. Hello everyone, this is Yesha, your IELTS expert with IELTSmaterial.com, helping you to prepare for IELTS, write correct answers, and get higher band score in your IELTS examination. For more free content preparing IELTS examination for free, please subscribe the channel and turn the bell icon. Now, let us see the 4 techniques to improve your IELTS writing. Do some writing task practice, which is the first technique. In this technique, you need to learn 3 steps: practice, reflection, and action. Now, what is practice? Practice is setting time, taking one task and trying to solve it, and then do the actual practicing part. The next is reflection. In the reflection section, you have to make sure that you answer these questions. That is, how easy or difficult the task was. Did you know what to do? Or did you understand what you actually have to write as the answer? Did you have enough time to complete your answer? You have to complete your answer in 40 minutes. Did you know what information you had to include in the particular essay? Did you have enough ideas on the topic? So it should be related to the topic. Did you have enough vocabulary and grammar? Vocabulary and grammar in the sense you have to write correct grammar, accurate grammar, and correct vocabulary. Then the last section is to take action after understanding these questions. Take action so that you won't have same problems the next time you attend the question. For example, you were facing a difficulty with writing the task in the given time. So you should try to finish the task in 40 minutes. The second technique is understand how you are assessed. In this technique, you have to make sure you follow 3 steps again. The step 1, read a sample answer, which is very important. You can use our website IELTSmaterial.com for many sample answers related to writing task 1 and writing task 2. What you have to assess from the sample answers: writer's opinion. What is the writer's opinion on the topic and why did they have this opinion? Why this opinion? How good the answer is. Is the writer's opinion clearly mentioned with reasons, explanation, and example? Is it organized clearly? This is, are the paragraphs organized clearly? Used linking words, that is, how well the sample answers are showing the connectors, the cohesive devices, and the other linking words. And is the paragraph organized properly, or I would say, is the idea organized properly? What are the comments of the examiners given related to the answer? Are the positive comments given, or there are negative comments? And make comparison. How would you make the comparison? Comparing your answer and the sample answer, and you have to see how well you have presented the answer, or is it according to the examiner's assessment? The third technique is develop your writing skills. After assessing what you have written in your answer, now you need to work on your mistakes. That is, you have to develop better writing skills. For this, you have to follow the timed conditions. You have to write the task 2 in 40 minutes. Plan your answer properly or plan your timing properly. Start applying the technique of mind mapping, and this technique will help you in brainstorming the ideas. So hence, mind mapping is the best way to complete the writing task 2 in an effective manner. For first 5 minutes, analyze the task and plan your answer. In the next 30 minutes, try to write the answer as you have planned or as you have organized it. And then for the last 5 minutes, check your answer. Are there any repetitions of the vocabularies, or you have made any mistake related to the grammatical part? So you have to present accurate grammar, and there should be no lexical resource or vocabulary repeated often. Then check your mistakes you have made before and do writing and rewriting. That is, you check your mistakes, clear the mistakes or clear the errors, and then do the writing part again. In this way, you develop your writing skills. The final way to develop your writing skills or to improve your writing skills is to develop your vocabulary and grammar. For this, you can go to our website, IELTSmaterial.com, where you would find many vocabulary exercises, grammar lessons, and many sample answers. You can also buy ebooks from our website, and this will definitely help you in improving your writing skills, and you can get your desired band score just in first attempt. So to learn the vocabulary and grammar, please read the sample answers and start making your own vocabulary bank. This will help you in understanding different words according to the topic. So learning vocabulary according to the topic is very important. You have to be very accurate about the grammar, which will help you in getting really good bands in your IELTS examination, that is in your IELTS writing task. For that, I would suggest please visit our e-store, store.ieltsmaterial.com, from which you will be able to get the ebook related to IELTS writing task 1 and writing task 2, which has sample answers given by different IELTS examiners. So hence, you would develop your writing skills according to the examiner's perspective. In this way, you can improve your writing skills and get higher band score. If you find these techniques helpful, then please let us know in the comment section below. For more IELTS updates, please do follow our channel. And for this video, like, share, and subscribe this channel and get more updates related to IELTS examination. Thank you.